we're diving into the incredible world of chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with nutrients and offer a surprising number of ways to jazz up your meals and snacks. We're going to show you 5 of our favorite chia seed recipes that are not only incredibly delicious but also super easy to make. Let's get started. First up, we're starting with a classic chia pudding. It's incredibly versatile and perfect for a quick breakfast, a satisfying snack, or even a healthy dessert. To a bowl, add half a cup of chia seeds. Then, pour in 2 cups of your favorite milk. We're using almond milk today, but feel free to use coconut milk, soy milk, or even regular milk. Add in a couple tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, depending on your sweetness preference. Give everything a really good stir, making sure all those chia seeds are nicely incorporated. Cover the bowl and pop it in the fridge for at least 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. Customize it with your favorite toppings. Next up, let's whip up a batch of our super refreshing chia seed lemonade. It's the perfect beverage to cool down on a warm day. In a pitcher, combine 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice with 4 cups of water. Add in half a cup of honey or maple syrup and 4 tablespoons of chia seeds. Give everything a good stir. Pop that pitcher in the fridge for about 30 minutes. And there you have it, a delicious and hydrating chia seed lemonade. Ready for a savory chia seed treat? Let's bake up a batch of these crunchy chia seed crackers. They're perfect for snacking or serving with your favorite dips. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of almond flour, half a cup of chia seeds, and a teaspoon of salt. Add in half a cup of water and a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Mix everything together until a dough forms. Roll it out between 2 sheets of parchment paper into a thin rectangle. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Keep an eye on them towards the end, as ovens can vary. Who doesn't love a good smoothie? This tropical chia seed smoothie is packed with fruity goodness and a healthy dose of chia seeds. Add 1 cup of your favorite milk to a blender. Toss in 1 cup of frozen mango chunks. Toss in half a cup of pineapple chunks. Toss in 1 banana. Add in 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Blitz everything together until it's completely smooth and creamy. Pour that tropical goodness into a glass. A delicious and nutritious chia seed smoothie. Last but not least, let's make these chia seed energy bars. They're perfect for a quick and healthy snack when you're on the go. In a bowl, add 1 cup of rolled oats, half a cup of chopped dates, half a cup of your favorite nuts and seeds, and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Add in a 1/4 cup of honey or maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of nut butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything together until it's well combined and starts to stick together. Press that mixture firmly into a lined baking pan and pop it in the fridge for at least an hour to set. Once it's firm, cut it into bars and enjoy. And there you have it, 5 incredibly delicious and nutritious chia seed recipes that are sure to become new favorites. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you give these recipes a try, be sure to snap a photo and tag us on social media. We love seeing your creations. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tasty inspiration, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.